Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will share computer solved questions that came in IBA screening test paper intermediate category on 12 June 2023. In previous videos, I have solved general knowledge, current affairs, everyday science. Question number 91. Which one of these is the highest unit of memory? Terabyte, gigabyte, megabytes, gigabytes. 124 gigabytes combines 1 MB and 124 megabytes combines 1 GB and 124 GB combines 1 TB. So TB is the highest unit of memory. Question number 92. Which one of these is the smallest unit of memory? ASTB is the highest, so lowest is gigabytes. Question number 93. Which binary from the following is equal to decimal 20? And the correct answer is 10100. Question number 94. Which one decimal will be equal to binary 11111 5 times 1? And the correct answer is 31. Question number 95. Which of these is known as brain of computer? And the correct answer is central processing unit. Question number 96. Which is billionth of second? And the right option is nanosecond. Question number 97. Two main kinds of main memory are RAM and ROM. Question number 98. The correct syntax of using COUNTIF in MS Excel 2016 is COUNTIF range criteria. Question number 99. Function to extract substring, and the right option is substring in capital brackets start and over. Question number 100. Charts are inserted in MS Excel 2016 from Insert tab, also in MS Word. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy and also follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Thank you.